It's June 22nd, 2016. Today I'm doing my very first oil change. So we're gonna see how fun this actually goes. I've never done it before. Not even with my other vehicles. So we're gonna see how this goes. Wish me luck, everybody. I know it's easy to do and everything else, but we're gonna see how it actually goes. I'm kind of more worried about being underneath the car than anything else. So we'll see. Now everybody, I am not an automotive person. So I have no idea what the hell I'm fully doing. I think I just now found the oil pan to open it up at. So this should be fun. Hopefully I don't get a whole shit ton of grease on me. But we'll see and find out. This is not gonna be fun. Not at all. Alright, there's my oil filter. My gas pan. This should be fun. Lots of fun.
Wait.
You mean you heard him talking?
Green pen. And twinkle.
Ow!
What'd you do?
I hit my hand.
You got it?
Twinkle.
Get it?
Twinkle out.
Don't strip it.
I'm trying to get it to fully attached.
Twinkle. Here, twinkle.
You got it?
I don't know if it's turning any or not.
Let me try.
The bolt does not want to come off. It's sad when it takes two people to try to get a bolt to come off and it does not want to come off or anything.
I can't make noise.
Out from under there!
Get out!
I like how Joe's comment is that you must be a pussy.
Quack, quack, quack. Penny, penny, penny.
Why are you texting under the car?
What's your texting me?
Taxi, taxi, taxi. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Same. I got 2 monies I got for Mama. That's for Daddy and for Mama too. For Daddy and for
Dory,
Daddy.
Got it?
Oh, okay. That's my problem.
What?
I was looking over here. The bolt's over here. No, the bolt's smaller. I need a smaller thing.
I don't know where they are. I just found this.
Then the workbench.
Okay.
On towards the wall.
Okay.
The second shelf.
Okay.
That's where it's at the bottom, in the second drawer.
Okay.
There's a box thing of them.
I'll be back.
Okay. You get splayed with a whole bunch of oil, are you?
Hot oil.
Hot stuff,
You don't have to stay on it there while it's draining.
Oh, it's gonna take a few minutes to drain it.
If it's a... Look, you fucked your bucket up.
What?
You messed your bucket up. Don't strip the bolt.
I know.
You want me to do it?
Don't you really want to get under here?
Mama.
Probably get it done.
Mama.
Not the issue.
Mama. Antoine's kite. Antoine's too kite.
Too big or too small?
Too small. Just a little bit too small.
Is that the biggest one?
See, the big size is too big for it.
I can't even get the small size on here.
It fits on there in one direction, but it won't fit on the other direction, though.
I'm telling you right now, this thing ain't 15 because it fits on there. This is a size 3/8.
Still playing with that cicada?
Yeah? Look,
He's dying. Uh-oh. What? What do you say? Either we are too weak, or we need something better to get that damn thing off. Did he?
He's awake. Daddy wants he's awake.
That's good. Go over there with him.
See, I was reading online. It said to let your engine run for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Because the oil gets on this bolt and loosens it.
See what I've read before that, it said not to have the engine cold. Then you're not supposed to run the engine until you put the oil in so the oil can get into the filter. Then you top it off again. So as you see, the internet just confuses everybody. It's answering around. Oh, ooh. Almost fell on top of you. Can't just slide out like most people do. It was a fun and dramatic fail, wasn't it?
No, I won.
You didn't win nothing. No, you barely even filmed me underneath the car.
Huh?
You barely ever filmed me underneath the car.
A few minutes.
A couple of you under there. Yeah, well, better try to see if I can get my cousin to help us now. I'll try to get the damn bolt off. Well, that right here was our fail on changing the oil. Either tomorrow if it's in the storm or Friday, my friend's gonna help me so I can get that bolt off. So we can get the damn bolt off so I can get it done. So I'll probably film that instead. But I'm still gonna upload this. Alright guys, I mean, it was funny to see it happen. Everything else, but I'll probably be uploading 2 to 3 videos tonight. I don't know yet. Maybe even 4. Who knows? Because my new project is done. I just got to piece it all together, which should take about 20 minutes. That's let me put it all together and hit the combine and edit and blah blah blah. All the graphics and everything else are done on it, so that's straightforward done. I have a video over here with the kids in the pool. Well, Dory in the pool, then Trish in the pool. So I said my kids. Then you'll see the videos of the oil change. But tell everybody to like, subscribe, comment, follow us and everything. Make sure you tell all your friends about it. We're trying to bring out better stuff, probably show out more. We can, maybe 1 to 2 videos a day, if possible. I'm going to do a reaction video tonight for Big Brother 18, so it starts tonight. I'll probably upload that tonight too, so if anything, though, you might get 3 to 4 videos. And if you're lucky, you get 5. but I really doubt I can get the 5th one in after all the editing and everything else. But I'm aiming for 3 at minimum. So keep an eye out for it. Thank you to everybody who actually watches us. Thanks to the people that have subscribed to us already. Anybody else who's just now coming in, we'd love to have your views. Please watch us, comment on it, share with everybody else. We're always here to help. Whenever we get a big enough following, we can start doing shout outs to other channels over to help them get some few people in. We've helped out a few people already with advice on how to get their channel going a little bit better, what it already was. So don't feel bad about asking the questions. Us, we're always here to help. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.